The water in fuel indicator light will illuminate when there is water detected in the fuel-water separator filter. If this light remains on, you should drain the water from the fuel-water separator before starting the engine. If water is detected in the separator filter while the engine is running, or while the ignition is placed in the on-run position, the water in fuel indicator light will illuminate and an audible chime will be heard. At this point, you should stop the engine and drain the water from the fuel-water separator filter, located inside the frame rail behind the left front wheel. The drain valve is located on the bottom of the filter housing and is best accessed from under the vehicle. To drain the separator filter, first turn the engine off. Then, within 10 minutes, turn the filter drain valve counterclockwise to drain water that may have accumulated. Next, you'll need to place the ignition in the on-run position and allow any additional accumulated water to drain. Leave the drain valve open until all water and contaminants have been removed. When clean fuel is visible, close the drain valve by turning it clockwise and place the ignition in the off position. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.